Hello everybody, so here we are after a lot of work, a lot of effort and a lot of time. The Bentley Arnage wood trim now has been restored. So if you compare it back to the previous video where it was all faded and cracked, and look at it now, it absolutely pops, doesn't it? So here's the main section of the dashboard. Yeah, looking resplendent, you know, lovely colour, lovely lustre. So if I'm just going to put this down and I'm going to grab the door capping now. And here's one of the door cappings. And again, quite a bit different to when it first came in. And if we look closely, you can see the gold leaf flying bee Bentley logo that's been put on all four of the door cappings. It looks rather resplendent, I think. And then finally, the last bit I think that was seen on the previous video was this little bit with these four little bezels here that had to be carefully removed. And they're now, after all the repolishing, they've now been put back in and glued back in place. So there we go. The youngest car in the workshop, all sorted and bish bash bosh, as they say.